Hey everyone, welcome back to Viral Vibes. Today we're talking about something that can transform your year, goal setting in 2025, and how to actually make those goals happen. Whether you want to level up your career, improve your health, or learn a new skill, these tips will help you turn your goals into reality. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about why goal setting even matters. Goals give you direction and purpose. They help you stay focused and motivated, especially when life gets busy or challenging. Without clear goals, it's easy to drift and let another year pass without progress. So, if you're serious about making 2025 your best year yet, setting goals is a must. Step 1 is to get crystal clear on what you want. It's tempting to set vague goals like get healthy or make more money. But vague goals lead to vague results. Instead, get specific. What does get healthy mean to you? Does it mean running a 5K, eating more vegetables, or hitting the gym 3 times a week? Clarity makes your goals real and measurable. Once you have clear goals, it's time for step 2. Write them down. Studies show that writing down your goals makes you more likely to achieve them. It's like a contract with yourself. I like to keep a dedicated journal or notes app where I can see my goals every day. It keeps them top of mind and reinforces my commitment. Step 3 is to break your big goals into smaller steps. Let's say your goal is to start a YouTube channel. That's awesome, but where do you start? Breaking it down could look like this. First, brainstorm video ideas. Next, plan your first video. Then, learn basic editing. Finally, hit record and upload. When you break goals into smaller actions, they feel more manageable and less overwhelming. Step 4 is to set deadlines. Without deadlines, goals can drag on forever. Give yourself realistic timelines for each step. For example, I'll brainstorm video ideas by the end of this week, or I'll film my first video by next month. Deadlines create urgency and help you prioritize your time. Another key to making goals happen is to track your progress. Step 5 is all about keeping tabs on how you're doing. I like to check in weekly or monthly depending on the goal. Ask yourself, what progress have I made? What's working? What needs to change? Celebrating small wins along the way keeps your motivation high and helps you stay on track. Step 6 is to stay flexible. Life happens. Plans change. Sometimes things don't go as expected, and that's okay. Being too rigid can set you up for frustration. Instead, stay open to adjusting your plan when needed. Flexibility keeps you moving forward, even when obstacles come up. Step 7 is to build a support system. Share your goals with friends, family, or even an online community. Having people who encourage you, check in on you, and celebrate your progress can make all the difference. Plus, talking about your goals makes them feel more real and keeps you accountable. Now let's talk about mindset, because without the right mindset, even the best goals can fall apart. Step 8 is to believe in yourself. Sounds simple, right? But self-doubt is one of the biggest reasons people give up on their goals. Remember that confidence grows with every step you take. Every small win is proof that you're capable. Step 9 is to focus on progress, not perfection. Perfectionism is a dream killer. If you wait until everything is perfect, you'll never start. Instead, embrace the learning process and celebrate every step forward, no matter how small. Progress adds up, and before you know it, you'll be amazed at how far you've come. Finally, step 10, reward yourself. Achieving goals is hard work, and it's important to celebrate along the way. Rewards can be small, like a night out with friends, a new gadget, or even just some time to relax. Recognizing your progress keeps you motivated and makes the journey more enjoyable. Let's quickly recap the steps. Get clear on your goals, write them down, break them into small steps, set deadlines, track your progress, stay flexible, build a support system, believe in yourself, focus on progress over perfection, and reward yourself. Follow these steps, and you'll turn your dreams into reality in 2025. So what's your biggest goal for this year? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're working on. And remember, no goal is too big or too small. It's all about taking that first step and keeping the momentum going. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Viral Vibes for more motivation, tips, and life hacks to make 2025 your best year yet. Stay positive, stay focused, and let's crush those goals together. You've got this!